Welcome back. In this video we will discuss about the .NET Standard. What is .NET Standard and how is it useful in the .NET? Let's see. As you are familiar, .NET has many, like here in the diagram you can see .NET Framework, .NET Core and Xamarin. In .NET Framework we develop ASP.NET Web Applications, Windows Forms, WPF. In .NET Core we develop all these things, but this is the open source for cross-platform. You can use the Linux machine, you can use the Mac, you can use the Windows. And Xamarin. In the Xamarin we can create the Android applications, we can create the iOS mobile applications. So .NET has different kind of framework. But suppose you are working on a .NET Core or in Xamarin you are writing the code for mobile application, but how the system will come to know your libraries belong to which platform? If you see in the diagram, .NET Framework has the base class library, .NET Core has core libraries, and Xamarin has the mono class library. And we have the common infrastructure where we have the compilers, different languages, runtime. So there should be a common standard. All these libraries should follow to a set of rules, and that set of rules is defined inside the common layer that called the .NET Standard. So this is the .NET Standard library. This is common for all. So .NET Platform Standard is unified base class library which runs on all .NET platforms. So .NET Standard is a specification which dictates what the base class libraries of different .NET platforms should implement to unify the base class libraries of different .NET platforms. Or you can say this is a set of specification of .NET APIs that tell you which APIs you can use. This specification is implemented by all the runtimes. I hope it's clear now, and this is not a platform. This is just a set of rules that all these framework follow these rules. I hope this is clear now. Thanks for watching this video. I will come with a new topic in the next video. Keep watching. Happy learning.